ThorBoy, mommy love you, ThorBoy. Come on, mommy sing your song. Come on up here. Come here. Come on. Get up here. Ready? Alright, ready? Ready? Here we go. ThorBoy, mommy love you, ThorBoy, mommy love you, ThorBoy. Yes, I do. You are the greatest bird. Hallelujah, you are the greatest bird. Can you sing now? ThorBoy, mommy loves you, ThorBoy. Yes, I do. You are my honey. I love you truly, deeply. Look in the camera. Oh, I didn't even have it on yet. Look in the camera. Look. Can you see in the camera? Mommy love you. You good boy, huh? You good boy? Yes, you good boy. Oh, ThorBoy. Oh. I can tell you're going to be a lot like Sonny. Yep, I can tell. I can tell right off the bat you're going to be just like Sonny. Yes. Yes, but you're going to be smart. You're smart. You're going to be smarter. Right? Yeah. My little man's. His name is Thor. We call him ThorBoy. And he is very smart. Very good looking. Very wise. Aren't you, boy? You feel wise. You like the camera, too. Just like Sonny liked the camera. Yes, he did. It's all new to you, isn't it? Just a little baby. But you'll learn. You'll learn. Yes, you will. Alright, I love you. Mommy love you. I love him. Yes. He knows I love him. And he loves me too. Don't you, Thor? You love your mommy. Don't you? You love your mommy. Yes, you do. I can tell by the way you look at me. He said, yeah, right. Alright. I will see you later. Say bye. Say bye.